show. Me never tell you, say me I put it on the camera, sir. You can't bother. Which, all right, them say me not have to interview me, plus me the camera roll. All right. Woo! Man, you me I walk and look for you this morning if you get my ackee and saltfish. I want more. Me make sure put the camera for you. Me I walk and look for you today to get my ackee and saltfish. Me understand you. Yes, when me get up, you say me get up 5 o'clock in the morning to cook my ackee and saltfish. You just make yourself present. And ramp with me.
But me never know, man. How me know?
Oh, don't play with me.
So when me ackee and saltfish, them still there.
Lord Jesus.
Me want
Bell.
me not take no for your answer.
Bell, let's see what I look for this morning. Bell, time man. Oh.
Want me ackee and saltfish now?
Fuck man. Alright, you know what? Tomorrow, me can't tell me a bit now.
Alright.
But tomorrow,
So you give me my own.
remember you know the things that I can't saltfish that in a bro. So tomorrow, me I catch you up. Alright. So see the man was some for make sure the camera roll. My move coming on to business. Sir. So for the black everybody I play domino. See it? As some sat the rolling. Circle the black and get, you see me? Yeah, 6 aside, who a win? Who a lead? You my lead? Alright. Alright. Any side. Alright, let's say 40. So this is how my Saturday go. In our Belize, we just roll all about, stop chat, the man them, everybody, from the block. Alright, see there.
Bless up, Belize.
Alright, Jamaican living in a Belize. Don't know everybody like me still, but I don't know. Everybody love me. I can't be everybody cup of tea.
Belize, our blessed place where a lot of people
Looking at the camera when
where a lot of people not discover yet.
Okay.
Like looking at camera.
True, just talk. Now listen to him. Now listen
The
to
feds
him.
them are
I go and
watching.
look in at the blood.
Clack. Yeah, fuck you, man. You know. Fuck you,
Belize,
fuck
our
you.
place where a lot of people not discover yet.
Thank you.
We were don't discover it like you. And we were the Belizean.
Cause, alright, the thing about it is, may I try and make Jamaicans know about Belize, but some of the Belize them kinda make it bad because them a give vibes like them not like Jamaicans.
So I just want to big up all Belizean. Big up all proud Belizean. Because some people them want to be Belizean with a Belizean.
Oh
Big
shit.
up all proud Belizean. Just like you, we have to big you up, you know. Big up
Me a
the
Jamaican
Big
Belizean.
up the people them. Like
Talk the
everything,
truth.
and we got a link like yo, like chain. You understand? So,
More and the people that understand say, I don't marry to a Belizean and I'm stuck on here. They can't get me out here. So I'm just going to share the love. Tomorrow I come out, come feed the homeless and try to give back to the country. You see me? So I just show the people I just love and love alone. I not agree with everything because I know things is here that not sit well with everybody. And you know that too.
we love that because then the initiatives and everybody thinks so.
Thank
You
you.
understand what I said? And everybody can do their thing to even if you scrape out the last out your pot.
And give it to somebody.
We know you get the dog there to the dog deserve food.
The bone off of the master's plate. And the Bible tell you we have to love and share love, man. You see me? But I'm just stay up on black, I'm just go and chill.
So we just come, take our walk, bless it, you know what I mean, show love to everybody, that's what we do.
True.
You know what I mean? Every day. I mean, we just want everybody to do it the same way too. Spread
True.
love. It don't matter what race you.
True.
Because we don't race, we love everybody.
True.
Just mankind divide out the thing.
True.
So we good, man, and we appreciate people like you.
Yeah.
That go through the whole life. You know what I mean? You know where I say, man.
What you say?
We are Belizean, but we want the yard girl them come from black shirt and so we like the girl them like skin out, you know.
You understand? Look for this man that talk about that shout.
That one they don't know.
Yeah.
Interview.
We have got bring to young girl. Talk where you talk. Big man Belize, what's your name? representative of Belize.
Hey,
Harvey.
Harvey.
What do you hear about?
Harvey, baby.
Weinstein.
Like when they dash it out indeed.
Harvey,
Harvey
baby.
I want
Weinstein.
dash it. I want to dash it.
Me I bring to Jamaica and come and dash it out for you, car.
That's it.
The water where them want
please.
say the Jamaica girl have a big body, I know, for wine.
Aye.
A lie?
I hear they got it good too. But I can't tell because I know,
Harvey, so I'm big body woman they call him, you getting a problem.
okay.
Harvey, you know